Hello students, welcome to the another session of basic math. Here we will learn about sign of polynomial. So what is polynomial? Suppose some expression is an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 a x to the power r a1 x plus a0. So if an is not equal to 0, then it will be called polynomial of polynomial of n degree. So this is the polynomial. So we want to know the whether it's a positive or negative, that we want to know. So first you factorize this polynomial. So you factorize polynomial like x minus alpha, x minus beta. Some function may be there which is not linearly factorized. So that is not an issue. And equate it to 0. Then its root is alpha and beta. So now alpha beta you plot on the numbers line. So somewhere it is coming alpha here, somewhere it is coming beta. If alpha come 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, something like that. So you see that is a odd or even. So it's 4 times is odd, beta coming 2 times. 4 times is a even, 5 times is a odd, beta coming 2 times is a even. Then you take any test value of x. Suppose you take test value of 0, and if 0 coming between here. So if it is positive with the test value, then it's odd, then it will be negative. Since it is even, then it will remain negative, something like that. Let us see some example. First simple one, fx is equal to x cube minus 1. So you factorize, that is x minus 1 and x square plus x plus 1. Then root is 1. Then you plot a number line and 1 will be here. This is odd number, this is odd number. So you take test value x is equal to 0. You put 0 here, this is a minus 1 and either plus 1. So it's a negative. So 1 is where 1 is lying, 0 is lying here. So it's negative and here positive. That means this function will be negative in minus infinity to 1. It will be negative here and it will be positive 1 to plus infinity. It will be positive. So you test it, you take one value here, like you are supposed to. So 2 you are taking 2 to power q is 8 minus 1 7. This is positive. You take here minus 1. So minus 1 minus 2 negative. So whatever the value we will take in this interval, it will be negative. Whatever value we will take in this interval, it will be positive. Let us see some another example. Suppose fx is equal to x minus 1 cube, x minus 2 square, and x square plus x plus 1. So here root is 1 1 1 and 2 2 2 times. So this is odd, this is even. So now you take one value, test value, take 0 because this is very easy to calculate. So test value 0 here you will take. So this is negative because if you put x is equal to 0, then minus 1 to the power q is negative. And here put 0, then minus 2 to the power square is positive. And here you put 0, then it's a positive. So total value is negative here where lying x is lying 0 with me. So this is odd. So this will be positive. This will be negative. This will be positive. And this is even. So this will also be positive here. That means x value of x minus 1 cube, x minus 2 square, x minus x square plus x plus 1 will be negative up to minus infinity to 1, and positive will be from 1 to 2 and 2 to infinity. So it will be positive. This is applicable for the rational polynomial function also. What is rational polynomial function? Suppose take a function x is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2 divided by x minus 3, x minus 4. So separately you find root. So here you will find root 1 and 2. Here you will find root 3 and 4. So you plot in the number line 1, 2, 3, 4. So all odd. Only one times it has come. Only this has come. This has come. This has come. So you take a test value. So take test value 0. 0 lying is here. So 0 minus 1 minus positive. Here also positive. So here it will be positive. Here it will be negative. Here it will be positive. Here it will be negative. Here it will be positive. So fx will be positive in the interval minus 1 to 1 union 2 to 3 union 4 to infinity, and negative 1 2 3 to 4. This will be negative. And obviously this function is not defined at x should not be equal to 3 and x should not be equal to 4, because if x is equal to 3 then it will become 0 and undefined. Undefined. Thank you.